to show how the people of God, or the vine and the branches, demonstrate faith in who? In God. So we start with the first term, people of God. So we read 1 Peter chapter 2, verse 9 to 10. Yes, very good. So when you ask what Peter said about the people of God, he said they are the chosen what? Race. Yes, they are royal priesthood, they are holy what? Nation. He also said they belong to God from that verse. And he said that they testify about God, and they are called from darkness to light. They were once not the people of God, and they received God's grace. We read all of us because there are two verses. Yes, someone else to read. Anyone to read again.
God's own people, that you may declare the wonderful deeds of Him who called you out of darkness to His marvelous light. Once you were not people, but now you are God's people. Once you have not received mercy, but now you have received mercy.